Okay, so today we're going to talk about using March2Success to improve your ASVAB score. So the first thing we're going to learn how to do is how you register for it. So up at the top right, you'll see that there's a little register link. You can go ahead and click that. Now there's four types of users. You could be a student, educator, or even a recruiter. Okay. The type of account that you select determines the type of access that you are given to the system. If you're just looking to improve your ASVAB, you want to be a student. Coming all the way out from Google, I'm going to go to www.march2success.com with the number 2. Now that you've registered, you can click Login. Use your username and password. Now the section that you want to use specifically to improve your ASVAB is the high school prep. Selecting the top option. This is going to begin a pretest. The pretest is going to determine what types of lessons you are given to help build up your math and English knowledge. So I'm just going to show you an example question from the verbal section just so you can kind of see what it looks like once you log in. So we see here it wants to know what word is the most similar to abandon. So we look at our options and we see that B is the correct choice. Now you're going to be able to add a mentor by clicking the Add Mentor. And you'll get an ID from your recruiter or from your teacher. Then you can add them in there. And what this does is it gives them access to review your progress. So as an educator or as a recruiter, you can review progress from your students using this system, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you log in using a educator or a recruiter account. And then click Track Your Students. The first thing you need to do is generate a monitor ID. So it's going to send you an email. The email is going to look something like this. It's going to give you either a link or an ID that you can give to your student. Now once your student has put that in, you can go back to your account and you can track your students. And you'll see that they're actually there, and you can open them up and you can look at how many times they've logged in, how much time they've spent there, which courses they've accessed, and their scores and stuff like that. Monitoring progress is really important. It shows you what areas that your student needs to study in the most, and it'll help you to direct the help that you give to that student. So it's important to check up on the students that you're mentoring.